a book on the table.
There is a horse in the stable. There is one, only one, just a single thing we see. There are many, more than one. Come and sing along with me.
There are birds in the sky.
There are clouds floating by.
There are apples on the tree.
There are fish in the sea. There is one, only one, just a single thing we see. There are many, more than one. Come and sing along with me. Practice.
There is a star in the night.
There are lights shining bright.
There is a dog in the yard.
There are children in the park.
Let's try a quiz. Are you ready? Look and choose. There. A cat on the chair. A is. B are. The answer is A. There is a cat on the chair. Look again. There. 3 apples on the table. A is. B are. Correct. The answer is B. There are 3 apples on the table. Look carefully. There. A kite in the sky. A is. B are. Correct. The answer is A. There is a kite in the sky. What do you see? There. Many fish in the sea. A is. B are. The answer is B. There are many fish in the sea. Last question. There. Children in the park. A is. B are. The answer is B. There are children in the park.
Now you know the grammar rule.
There are very cool.
Sing again and you will see.